Welcome to the Nova's Smart Lock Quick Start Guide. The following steps will help guide you through the setup of your new Nova's Smart Lock. Getting started. Search for the Nova's application in the App Store or Google Play. Download and install the Nova's app on your phone. Setting up your lock. Follow the prompts, allow notifications, read the welcome screen and the terms and conditions. Click Activate New Lock. Enter your name and mobile number. Enter the lock name and a description. For example, front door home. Check that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Locate the QR code displayed on the back of the battery compartment cover and allow the app to use the camera to link this lock to your phone. Keep the lock within 1 meter of your phone. Set the duration period. This identifies how long you want your door to stay unlocked. These settings can also be adjusted later. You have now successfully activated the lock and are now registered as one of the 2 possible owners who have total control of the lock. Select the mode you want to use to unlock your door. Please select one mode to unlock your lock. Voice, using Siri to unlock your door. Manual, by pressing the unlock button to unlock your door. PIN, by pressing the unlock button and then entering in your PIN number to unlock your door. Please note the lock owner or administrator may change this mode at any time. The Keep Unlocked feature allows you the opportunity to keep the door unlocked until you press the Keep Unlocked button again or the main control button to relock it. Setting up Siri, iPhone only. Requirements: minimum iOS 13. The Shortcuts app must be installed. This is a free app, available from the App Store. Using the Nova's app, select the voice control mode on your chosen Nova's Smart Lock. Open the Shortcuts app. Press the Create Shortcuts button. On the new shortcut page, press the Add Action button. Press the Apps button. Scroll down until you see the Nova's icon, and select. Press Nova's. This screen now asks you to select the device you want to open with voice control. Press the Next button located in the upper right corner of the screen. You now need to enter the shortcut name. Use this name to tell Siri to run the shortcut. A typical example could be, Open Front Door. Press Done to complete. For uninterrupted access to your device via Siri, the Nova's app must always be running in the background. Create an e-key for a new user. Open the Nova's app on the phone. Highlighted icons indicate that you are within range of the lock, and it is available for connection. If it is gray, the lock is not in range or someone else is already connected. Note, you do not need to be in range or connected to the lock to create a new key. Select the lock you wish to create a new e-key for and press the Users button. Select New e-key. Select from your contacts. Tap the phone number you want to send the key to, or manually enter the name and mobile number. If selected from your contacts, you can change the user's name if you like. User permissions determine what rights you want to give the user. Normal is for those you want to simply allow access to use the lock. Admin is for those you want to allow access and give them the ability to create, edit, and delete other users' e-keys, excluding owners' e-keys. Owner is for those you want to have full control of the lock, including the ability to create, edit, and delete other users' e-keys. Note there can only be 2 owners assigned to a lock at any one time. Confirm your selection and send the e-key to the user. Nova's will now generate a message with instructions for the new user to register their new e-key, along with an image and link containing the encrypted details of the user's access rights that you just created. Depending on your phone's OS capabilities, this short message can be sent via SMS/messaging, email, or other messaging app. Please ensure you press the appropriate send button in the messaging app to complete this process. Thank you for watching.